I called Guardian Roofing about a week ago because I received a coupon in the mail. I asked them to come and give me a bid on removing the moss from my roof. And a very nice guy came, and he was very thorough. He looked through my attic. And I have to say, I'm always a little suspicious of a big, well-known company that they might try to oversell me. He was doing nothing like that. So first he looked in the attic from inside my house, and then he put up a tall ladder and climbed around on the roof for about 15 minutes and just seemed so careful and so polite and informative. So then he informed me that Guardian Roofing would not be able to take the moss off my roof because they use high power water, and it goes between the two layers that happen to be on my roof. And he didn't know until he inspected that it had two layers. And of course, I was so disappointed. I said, well, is that the end of the story? You can't help me? And he said, I'm sorry, we really can't. And I want to alert you that if you have someone else, another bid that says they can do that, there'll be a problem because you have two layers of roofing, composite on your roof. So I really had a lot of respect for Guardian, that they didn't try to oversell me. And I would recommend Guardian Roofing to any friends or anybody that wants a roof. I thought that was really impressive. I'm doing this review for Guardian because it's a company I can really trust, and so can you.